The investigating officer in her final report, that is a charge sheet, had stated that there is no birth certificate of the victim girl. And now all of a sudden we have come to know that mother of the victim girl has filed the birth certificate before the Child Welfare Committee to get the girl released. So that is the reason we want to know what is the exact date of birth and what is the exact age of the victim girl, because as far as the age of the girl is concerned, we are in dark. Our case was that in the ossification her birth was 17 to 18 years, and as we all know, ossification or a medical examination, it's just an opinion. It is not a surer test, or it is not, we cannot say that exactly that person's age is 17 or 18, because even the doctors give a margin of error of 1 year or 6 months or 2 years. So since if we have the birth certificate, then why not produce it? Let's face whatever it is. If she is major, major, minor, minor. So that is the reason we have filed an application before this court directing the prosecution or the Child Welfare Committee to get the birth certificate from the Child Welfare Committee. It is a procedure. We have filed the application today. On the next date is given for the prosecution to file their reply. They will file their reply, and ultimately judge will pass the order whether it is to be taken from the Child Welfare Committee or not. But it is the law that any document which is relating to the case, and if it affects the case, then it has to be given to the prosecution. It has to be come before the court. It has to come before the court. So we are hopeful that that birth certificate, whatever it is, irrespective of her age, it will come on record.
बाबुशाच्या आदोगादाच्या आर्ग्युमेंटाचेर कोर्टान सरकारी आदोगादाक जाप दिवपाक सांगल्या. फुडली सुनावणी 19 सप्टेंबराक. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमारा वांगडा सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.